Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So I want you to tell me how many cups you see in each of the rows.
5.
You see 5 cups in each row, okay? How many rows do you see?
Oh, how many rows?
Mm-hmm.
6.
And then how many cups are there all together?
30.
30. You can use the counters if you need them, okay? You have 25 chairs. 1/5 of the chairs need to be around each table. How many chairs will you put around each table?
5.
How do you know that?
Because if you divide 25 in 5, you get 5.
Very good. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Good. Leanna counted 82 yellow-eyed penguins on the beach. Later, there were only 47. How many penguins swam out to sea? What is it asking us to do?
35.
How do you know 35?
Because if you add 5 to 47, you get 52.
Why would you add 5? Why did you add 5?
So I get the unit of 82.
So 47 plus 5 was?
Oh, equals 52.
And then what did you add to 52?
30.
30. And that gave you?
35.
You counted the 5 and the 30 and you got 35. Very good. All right. Katie has 6 packets of biscuits. So those are the packets of biscuits. There's 15 biscuits in each packet. How many biscuits does Katie
30.
have? How do you know that so quickly?
Because if you multiply 6 times 10, you get 60, and 6 times 5 is 30.
So 6 times 10 is 60, and 6 times 5 is 30, and then you added those together?
Yeah.
So you decomposed the 15? Very good. Gerald planted 40 apple trees. 3/10 of them were destroyed by a storm. How many apple trees did he lose?
3/10.
3/10.
Oh, man. That was hard.
Mm-hmm. But tell me what you think. We know how many total apple trees does he have?
40.
So he has 40. How many groups does he have? How does he have them grouped?
I think he lost 30.
Why? Why do you say 30?
I think because if you divide the 40 into tens, you get 4.
4. You're right. If you take the 40 apple trees and put them into groups of 10, so let's take this and represent a group. There's 10 groups of trees, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, I get it wrong.
9.
Right?
10. There's 10 groups. How many apple trees are in each group so that there's a total of 40?
10.
10 in each one? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70,
Oh,
80,
no.
90, 100?
I was thinking from this to there. There are...
Here's the groups. How many trees are in this group? Tell me what you're thinking.
I'm thinking putting 5 in each one.
Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20,
Yeah, but
25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Yeah.
That's too many. Well, you know there's only 40 apple trees. There's 10 groups. How many?
4.
Okay, so there's 4 in each group, right? Because 4 times 10 is 40. But 3/10 got destroyed, so we need to take these 3 out.
Oh.
How many apple trees were in each group?
4.
So how many did he
12.
lose? 12. Very good.
I get it wrong.
That's okay. All right, this one's difficult too. Let's try it.
Okay.
The ceiling is 2.3 meters high. The bookcase is 1.845 meters high. How high in meters is the space between the ceiling and the bookcase?
How? You're telling me what's between them? How many? Or how many do these have more?
The space, the ceiling is 2.3 meters high. So from here to the ceiling is 2.3 meters. The bookcase from here to here is 1.845. What's in between?
$455.
Okay, tell me how you did that.
Because I added 55 first
To what?
to 845.
You added 55. Why did you add 55?
So I get 900.
Okay, so now it's 900. And what do you need
Is
to add to 900?
1.9. No, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So then I add 400.
Very good. And that gets you.
2.3.
So you said your answer was 455.
Mm-hmm.
Very good, Brandon. Very, very good. Okay. Andre has 81 tennis balls. There are 3 balls in each can. How many cans are there? So 81 balls.
Yeah.
And put them into groups of 3. So what does that mean we need to do? Well, operation.
Divide.
We need to divide. 81 divided by 3. How would you do that?
That's what I'm thinking.
That's what you're thinking of right now.
$27.
Tell me what you did.
I first multiply. I first multiply 3 times 25.
Oh, 25. That was a good. Yeah, I didn't think of 25. And what'd you get?
Like 75.
75. Did you think of quarters? Did you think of money?
No.
You didn't think of money?
No. I never think of money.
You don't. Okay, so 75. And then what did you have left over to take out?
It was 6.
6. So then you did 3 times
2.
2 is 6. Awesome. And that's where you got the 25 from. Or 27. You added the 25 and the 2 together. Very good. Three boys share 2 pizzas equally. 8 girls share 6 pizzas equally. Who gets more pizza? A girl or a boy?
Because there are different
Different what?
pizzas. Amount of pizza.
Different what?
Amount of pizza.
Different amounts of pizza? Okay.
Yeah, that's why it's hard.
So tell me what fraction the boys would get.
The boys would get. Oh, this is hard. Two-thirds.
Okay, tell me why 2/3.
Because if you divide the pizza into 3 boys, you get 1/3. So there's 2 pizzas, so I get 2/3.
Between how many boys?
3.
So each boy gets 2/3? Okay, now what about the girls?
You know.
So there's 8 girls,
Yeah.
and they share 6 pizzas. Tell me what you're doing next with.
I'm dividing the pizza into 8.
Okay.
I want to say 6/8, but I don't know if that's right.
But why are you thinking 6/8?
Because there's 6 pizzas,
Okay.
and each one is divided.
So which one is more, 6/8 or 2/3?
6/8.
6/8. Why is 6/8 more than 2/3?
It's because
We have to
1/3
determine which one's the bigger fraction.
1/3 is bigger than 1/4, which is equal to 2/8.
So you're saying 2/8 is the same as 1/4,
Yeah,
and 1/4 is a smaller piece
Yeah,
to make the whole. So you're saying 6/8 is bigger,
I was thinking 6/8 it was the wrong answer.
but you think that's correct now? That's the answer you're going to give me? Very good. Gasoline costs 210.9 cents a gallon. Your car takes 20 gallons. Will you be able to buy 20 gallons if you have only $45?
Cents. Oh, so that's cents. Yeah, you can.
Why?
Because it's telling you that cents.
But 210 cents is the same as how many dollars?
$2. $2 and one. No, and 10 cents.
$2.10. But what about this 0.9? What does that represent?
That's. Oh yeah.
Can we maybe round that number?
Like.
Because this is, you just told me this is $2.10. What does that 9 represent?
9 cents.
9/10. That's almost $1, right?
9 cents.
I'm sorry.
A cent.
9/10 of a cent. You're right. I said.
Yeah, it's almost a cent.
It's almost. So what if we call this $2.11?
$2.11. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So $2.11. You're okay. You can come in. $2.11.
You get
20 times. What would that be?
Oh, you need to multiply that 20 times.
Mm-hmm. $2.11. 20
You can
times.
still buy it.
You can or cannot.
You can.
Explain why.
It's because if you multiply $2.11
Mm-hmm.
times 20, you would get.
Well, ignore the cents. What
Yeah.
is $2 times 20?
40.
$40. Okay, now let's try and do the cents. Let's pretend that 11 cents is 10 cents. What's 10 cents 20 times?
$2. I'm correct?
$2. So will we have enough money?
I know it.
You knew it. Very good. It takes Alan 6 hours to clean 14 cars. Each car takes the same time. How long will it take him to clean 21 cars?
Wait.
I'm going to read it again. It takes Alan 6 hours to clean 14 cars.
It's 9 hours.
How do you know that?
Because if you divide the 14 cars into 2, you get 7. And you do the 7 in 3 hours, so I add them.
6 hours plus 3 hours was 9 hours.
Yeah.
You are so smart. Very good. You got them all correct. I'm so proud. So proud, so proud. Give me 5. Are you sick?
Yeah.
Kind of. Very good.